Had a rough day, so now I will watch the most exciting stream of all time.
Everybody in chat is now going to describe just a taste of the emotional journey that they've gone through as they've watched me make this kind of work a little bit. Buckle in. It's a tearjerker. Sup?
Finally, the fabled coding stream.
It's happening. So here's the plan, okay? I figured out how to set up Amazon's text-to-speech, and then you guys can do funny voices with it. So that'll be funny. Here's what we'll do. First, I'm going to explain what the current app is and all the things I have learned. And then I will explain what we're trying to do today. And I think you should be able to follow along, actually. Okay, so this is the Holy Chat God selector, right? With this app, what we can do is pick a random user. Them, a canned cheese man. So you were picked, and now if you talk, congratulations, you won. And if you talk, doxed. Wait, why didn't you talk? Talk doxed. Why didn't you talk? Did I break the text-to-speech? Uh-oh. We're gonna figure that out, all right? I'm sure things are working fine and I didn't break it all. The goal is to have 2 people who we pick. One's for A crew, one's for Z crew, and then both of you guys can talk, and you'll represent your team for that battle, right? And then we move on. Here's all my JavaScript code, and basically what the JavaScript code is, it's just saying, if me as the user clicks a thing, then something will happen. Or if the server talks to us, then something will happen. This is saying if you click the pick random user form, this defines all the visuals that are going on in this app. So the HTML is saying, okay, I want a button. I want a box for the user's name. I want a box for their message and whatnot. And then the jQuery JavaScript stuff is saying, if I come in here and I click this button, when that button gets clicked, then this function is gonna fire. I have various functions that are basically saying, if I click a thing, then it'll do a thing and go tell the server what's going on. It'll also has a function for if I receive data from the server. So if we're looking at the web browser and seeing all this stuff, Fangirl said 0. So the message from the server was like, okay, Fangirl said 0. They sent it through the SOC, I got it, and I was like, all right, perfect, let me update the HTML to show what the message was. Even though if the message is really, really huge, this function, text fill, will make it like automatically resize to fit in the box. Like a huge message, gigantic message. Okay, bigger, can you say I eat children like 10 times in a row? The text like shrinks so it fits in the box, right? So that's the front end code, and then on the back end, this is a Flask app in Python. So a Flask app is like a thing. The server's doing 2 things. The left side is the client, which is the visuals. The right side is the server, and this is what's doing the work of talking to Twitch and actually listening to all the messages and processing them, as well as getting a giant list of all the people who are currently eligible to be picked. On the server side, we have this bot that's running that initializes and connects to Twitch, and then every time it gets a message from Twitch, it's gonna say, if this is our current user, like if this is the current selected user, then we're gonna read out their message. Any questions? That all made lots of sense, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's debug. When I click the TTS, oh, that's why. So it's looking for data, but I renamed it from data to something else. Wait, why is this not working then? So the socket emits. Well, why did everything break right before stream? Huh? Why would it not? Huh? Now it works this time? What? Okay, I fixed it by running it again. I did it.
I am your new god.
Wow, incredible. So the text-to-speech does in fact work. Will Wolf, any final words before I turn it off?
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna add a feature where you guys like.
Can I still speak?
Yes, I forgot to turn you off. We would have a keyword of some kind, or like entry word. Entry password. What do we call it? What's the name of the thing you have to say in order to get added to the pool of potential people? Passphrase. The key passphrase. Let's just say if it's exclamation mark sock. So we have the key passphrase.
Sock would be awesome.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so if your message is equal to the key passphrase, then we will consider adding you to the pool. Otherwise not, right? So we just do that. Dedelec. Did you type exclamation mark sock?
ITHPED sock.
Okay, that means it probably works. I think we don't test it any further. We just assume that it's gonna work all the time. This one's done. That's 2 out of 3. Everybody thought I wasn't gonna program anything today. Or 2 out of 7 or whatever. Okay, let's set up. So this is my test for Amazon Poly. This was working. I need to put all this shit into this file over here. So I have a function called text to audio. We are using an app called Pyglet, which can just play audio for us. Then we use GTTS, which is like Google's text to speech, to just make a simple MP3 file. That's fine, and it works. It's just really limited. Like, all we can do is have, you know, a couple different voices. So we want to switch this over to Amazon Polly.
Hi. I will read any text you type here. Test extra.
Wow, incredible. I did it. So I can change it. If you're wondering why he sounded so weird, it's because I made his vocal tract length 50% bigger and had him whisper. So here, I'll turn it down to like 10%. No, negative, I'll turn it up. Negative 10%.
Hi.
Twitch chat, I am breaking into the basement and I'm going to get you.
I will read any text you type here.
I couldn't make out what he was saying, but he sounds like a fun guy. Anyways, there's all these like weird effects we can do. The whisper is kind of a bit much. So basically I can add these little effects into the text, right? And so when I go tell Amazon, hey, turn this text into speech, they'll be able to like change the emphasis and make them whisper and talk in a scary way and whatever. So what I think would be funny is if when you guys are talking in this, you could say at the beginning of your message in parentheses, like whisper, and then your message, and my code will automatically make it whisper. So that way you can like talk to me in really creepy ways if you want, to me or chat. I feel like that would be very funny. Open a file for writing the output as a binary. Okay, so it's going to stream the output to the MP3 file. So with, what does WB mean? I don't know. You open that as a file, file.write, stream.read. WB is witch beaver. It's women's basketball. I don't think they're talking about women's basketball here inside of the stream, like the stream handling for the MP3 file from Amazon Polly. I'm fairly certain. For people who know code, seems like we just copy all this, yeah? Yeah, right? Seems probably fine, eh?
If you got a real mess and want to clean like
it doesn't matter. I'm gonna keep coding. If it's soda, even red wine.
But you gotta call now.
Dear God, please get a proper ID.
It is genuinely funny to me that people who are good at programming and know actual like proper Python are like look at this and are just tortured. Like that's, you have to admit, that's really funny. Does anybody know in Python, do you have to have an accept clause with a try? Or can I just bail and not deal with it? Because that'll be funnier. You do have to? Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete the portion that exits like correctly. I'm just gonna be like, fuck it, don't do shit. Let's let it ride. You know what? We're gonna do a prediction. Okay, we just jammed one thing into another thing. Does this work first try? I'm just gonna run it, and if it works, it should say, hi, this is my test audio. It crashed. Put output in the first argument of the load function. Why would that work? Okay. Okay, hey. Okay. Let's get quick. New prediction. Does this work? This is such a sick way to program. People in Twitch chat are just like, oh, why don't you just jam it in that line? Oh, shit. Never give up. This isn't like an inspirational moment. Like this is not some sort of like sports movie where we're, down on the third quarter and everybody didn't believe in us and we can just get, if only we believe in Pyglet. We don't need Pyglet. We can just give up. You're right. I won't do it. I won't give up on Pyglet. Never give up. To be clear, I'm not giving up on text-to-speech. I'm giving up on doing it with Pyglet, which is some weird library I've never used before, versus one that I know how to do. Oh, I didn't define input. Yeah, no shit. Wait, so hold on. We told you. Well, most people weren't telling me that. It's not my fault. Can I just say input equals output? Will that work? All right. What do you guys think? Will it work? Ah, shit. Where's output? Where the fuck did output come from? For people who don't know what's going on with coding, it's like there was a factory, okay? And the factory delivered like some sort of like robotic bear to us. It was like, this bear is gonna do everything you want and he's gonna talk in the way you want. I was like, all right, cool. And then we never looked into the factory. There's never anything going into the factory. Where did this come from? Where the fuck did the bear come from? The scope is fine in Python. Wait, what? This variable is accessible outside of the if statement? That breaks like every scoping rule of every language. Python has fucked up scope. What? That's really stupid. Okay, I guess the bear factory works in Python because Python doesn't make any sense. Okay, people want to do VLC anyways. I'm very happy to announce we're done. Fuck it. Fuck Piglet. We're gonna take the Piglet out back. We're gonna shoot him. The Piglet's dead. This is like the most demotivational coding stream.
I've been wondering what to make for dinner and watching you pretend to code has answered my question. Spaghetti it is.
Shut up. So what you normally do when you code is you get an IDE, which is called an integrated development environment, and then you can put like breakpoints at different parts of the code and see exactly what's going on at any time. Incredible way to program. The really shitty, awful way to program is you put print statements everywhere. And you just put these everywhere, and then you just try to understand what was going on based on how much stuff got printed.
Hi. Twitch chat, I am breaking into the basement and I'm going to get you.
Wait, it just worked? Huh? Why is it working now? I'm scared and confused.
Hi, this is my test audio. Hi, chat.
Why did it freeze 2 times in a row and now it just
Hi,
works?
this is my test audio.
Now it's just fine. I mean, I guess I'm just a great programmer.
Hi, this is my
by
test.
literally just unplugging it and plugging it back in.
Hi,
Like,
this is my test.
Pistocia, what do you have to say?
Dot.
All I got was... Wait, did you say that? Or was there some sort of weird fucked up coding thing I did that turned your message into Morse code? Hold on.
No.
Oh, okay, thank you. God, you freaked me out, dude. I thought I made a Braille converter accidentally. Just like, I don't know what the fuck's going on then. What I want to do right now is figure out what effects you guys want to have. That way, when you guys are talking, you could just say, for example, whisper, hi, chat, I am right behind you. You can say that, and then what I'll do is if I see that you say the keyword whisper, I'll add in the tags that make Amazon make it a whisper, right? So that's the plan right now. We got to figure out what would be funny for you guys to have with text-to-speech. Let's try speaking softly. I think I tried this yesterday. It didn't really do anything.
Hi. My name is Joanna. This is me speaking in my softer voice. Spork. Spork. Spork.
It sounds
Spork.
exactly the same.
Spork.
Wait, who said that? Oh, that was you. I keep forgetting this is still up. So definitely we should have a keyword for you guys that's like deep, and we can just define that. We could have deep and like super deep even. We also have like high pitched, something like that.
Hi, my name is Joanna. Normal sentence right here. Normal sentence right here.
Okay, so
That
wait, hold
person. Normal sentence right here.
So it's just slow. So I could have an effect where you could say emphasis. Yeah. Wait, hold on. The name of the effect should be drunk. We may as well do the high and low pitch right now. So we want to come up with what level of pitch do we want to fuck with, right? So this is high. Let's try negative 35%.
Hi, my name is Joanna.
Now, imagine that I am much bigger.
Is that too much?
Now, imagine that I am much bigger.
We could have 2. We could have 2 levels. So we could have... Oh. Okay, so what if it's negative 20 for high pitch, and then we have like negative 40 for super high? Let's try 100. Let's see what happens.
Now, imagine that I am much bigger.
Okay, I guess we do 100. All right, let's do deeper.
No, imagine that I'm much bigger.
Okay, yeah, that one worked. So deep would be 30%, and deeper would be 100%. We have 5 keywords that we could do. High, higher, deep, deeper, and drunk.
Hi, my name is Joanna. Now I'm much quieter, teehee.
This will be so annoying if you guys can just be super fucking loud. Let's try pitch. Let's see what pitch feels like.
My name is Joanna. With a pitch that is higher than normal. Now I'm much quieter, teehee.
Read.
Ow. Do we actually want whisper? Whisper sucks. I hate it. I hate whisper. It would mean that all of your messages are whispered, and I don't like it. And it scares me.
Hi, my name is Joanna.
Twitch chat, I am going to find you and I'm going to eat you like a peanut butter and chatty sandwich.
I don't like it. It scares me. Okay, we'll add whisper. We'll add whisper. So whisper will be one of the effects. Add a tag for breathing noises. Okay, what do the breathing noises sound like? Let's look.
Amazon Polly is a service that turns text into lifelike speech, allowing you to create applications that uses advanced deep learning tech. According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its...
Okay, we're doing this one. This is the greatest. Now make her whisper. It'll be scary.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
So now though, if I put hi at the beginning, and now I do haha, then nothing happens.
Ha 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 doggy dog.
I did it! Congratulations, Doug. You did it! I think I talked about this, but the last day I worked at EA as a programmer, I went in and it was like, I got a bug report from Gerard or whatever his name was, Garage, I think. And he was like, hey, EA Madden Mobile, one of the data tracking events when players opens up an item in the store isn't being logged properly. Can you look into this? And I was like, I'm going to spend all day on this. And I could not imagine a less interesting thing happening in video game, like across the entire industry, probably for the rest of time. And I was just like, wow, I'm glad I'm quitting this job. What was the problem? I quit 1 hour later. I didn't, all right. Garbage had to go take care of that himself. And he was way smarter than me anyways. He was a fucking genius. He probably fixed it in an hour. It would have taken me all day. I didn't know shit about Madden and the telemetry module, really. Yeah, no, I didn't fix it. I quit. Anyways, I was a great programmer. Oh, yeah. It might need to be lists of words equals. Okay, sorry, everybody. We have to lose the plus equals. I don't think we can do it. Because we have to, unless you can do a plus equals list. Because otherwise, we have to do append. Yeah, sorry, everybody. This is an append moment. Append. Sorry, everybody. We're appending now. Boo, append sucks. Sorry, guys. I know you're let down. You can plus equals list if the second thing is one item list.
Coding here.
Okay, hold on.
News
This is so messy looking. I'm sure there's a much cleaner way of doing this, but whatever. I don't care. Okay, so we get the text. We break into a list of words. We also have a second string called shit to add into the back. For each word in the list of words, we check that word. We say, is it the word high? If so, we replace it with prosody pitch high. But then also for shit to add into the back, we put the prosody end tag at the beginning of that. At the end of looping through the list, the back list now is a list of shit to add into the back, which is completely pointless and is only there so that we can do plus equals into the list of words, and then we plus equals a nothing, and then we turn that into a string.
Test. Test, hi. Go dog.
It works! We did it! It said hi twice. Well, I have hi written in there. Hold on. It should say test, hi, go dog.
Test, hi, go dog.
Oh shit, there are two highs. Why is the second high? What? Huh? What? Huh? Why wasn't it replaced?
Test, now I'm higher and no third high.
Wait, now it works. What? Why didn't it work that one time? I did it. I'm the best. This is where you'd use a dictionary. Fuck dictionaries! I don't want them! Using our gigantic, confusing list is way funnier.
Do you use ChatGPT for your coding?
I use chat for my coding. No GPT involved. So, theoretically, you guys can now add asthma, whisper, loud, drunk, deeper, higher, deep, and high. And if you put that in parentheses into your message anywhere, for the rest of the message, it'll talk in that style.
Oh my god, chat, I can't breathe because Doug is so good at coding.
Okay, that did not work. Okay, now I've put some commas, so maybe he'll have asthma.
Oh my god, chat, I can't breathe because Doug is so good at coding.
That sucks. I don't like the breathing. Okay, so he doesn't do it on every comma, but he does.
Holy shit, did you guys see that Doug has a massive penis?
It works. It works. Think of the funniest thing that you can think of with the tags, okay? Come up with something really good. Come up with something really great. Pause, champ. What is your very hilarious, incredible thing? I cannot wait. Here we go.
Lungs.
I meant, like, use one of the effects. I meant something funny that uses one of the effects. Okay, you just breathe. You're very nervous.
Real talk, you are a great guy.
Seriously, a great inspiration and all.
Thank you, Rick Sazan. I appreciate it. It definitely comes off as more genuine when you're taking deep, throaty breaths and changing your pitch constantly.
Hey, do you know about Twitch Prime?
That's great. You guys can just pitch Twitch Prime for me. Get. Thank you. You guys, we really like the breaths, it feels like. I am starting to regret adding this feature into the text-to-speech. Oh, the laughter is making the pepper. Yeah, now it looks like the pepper's laughing at me. I don't like that. Okay, so we've actually done a bunch of shit today. I guess the only thing left is to expand this to 2 people. So what I'm thinking, here's what I'm thinking. We copy all of this and then we put it next to it. It's crazy, but it's just crazy enough to work.
Hey Doug, thanks for doing this stream. I'm legally not allowed to do any coding because I'm non-binary.
Okay, so put all of it in a box. Okay, go. So all of this shit we put into a box. Div. Everything's in a div, right? And then we copy this and we paste it, and then we put all that in a div, right? It's in a box now, right? Do I have to do a different class, or can I just make it a div? So now that we've put everything in a box, we put that box inside of another box.
Have you considered using plus equals?
Like right now, it doesn't, that you don't use that in HTML. That's not a thing. So now we need to change all the names. So now, instead of pick random, it's pick random 2. Instead of TTS1, it's TTS2. This is where it gets a little more complex. So all of the variables so far are assuming that there's only one group of people, right? So for all of the things, we now have to give additional data to say, hey, there's like, this is, let me tell you about one of the 2 possible options, not just, hey, do it for the one person, right? So now I play this loud song and we continue.
Do you get to the district very often?
Point Crow! Yo, you guys just showed up at the dopest stream of all time. We're coding HTML. Woo! Fuck yeah! If you thought that Point Crow did cool stuff, well, get ready for me learning how JavaScript works. How does it work, everybody? Is this how you do an if statement? Okay, what's another song that's
I'm like inhaling beans.
One time, I made a gigantic project that literally just worked first try. It was a cloth simulation in OpenGL in C++. And it just fucking worked, like right out of the gate. And I was like, oh my god. This could be number 2. The number 2 time in my life when I just make a giant thing and it just works. Dude, my brain is like going so slow now. Oh. This is not a complex thing. My brain is like, holy shit. How could anybody figure this out? If user number if value dot user number is 1, get all this shit out of here. Oh, the brain is slowing. I don't think tabs is happening, guys.
Give us click maps and we can take over.
That doesn't make sense. We're looking through this. I'm just making sure I didn't do anything stupid, and then it's good to go. It's good to go. Okay.
Let's get ready to
see
rumble.
All I did was rerun it. It loaded correctly. There's 2 users. The text to speech is on for both. So now type A crew or Z crew in chat. I can pick a random user here. Boom. And it crashes. Oh, current user. I'm dumb. Fuck! Current user, yeah. Yep. Oh, shit.
Doug, line 264.
Shit, that was too late! Doesn't matter, because right now, pick random! Fuck!
Congratulations, Doug. You did it!
Semicolon, semicolon.
You're amazing! Like, wow! Doug, that was so cool!
Okay, mods, run it! Does it all work?
Wow!
First try, everything works! Everything works! Run it, mods, let's go! This button has crashed every time. And now I click. Yes!
Inspect the
Dread Dragon
HTML
77.
page.
Okay, Dread Dragon. And then over here, the Beast Gamer. Okay, now both of you guys can talk. It works!
Yes.
So there's a major issue going on. I'm not sure if anybody has noticed it. It's not blue. I don't know. It's not blue anymore. The text is supposed to be blue. Something happened. It's not.
Scamming?
It's not blue. Also, I didn't test the other things. Here, Point Crow. Oh, that doesn't work. Keep re-rolling until you get Point Crow. It's gonna take forever. No! No, fuck! Okay, type it again. We got so lucky and I fucked it.
Pog.
You got a poggin. There's no way I'm gonna catch it. No! No! Okay. I blinked because I was holding my eyes so wide. I had to blink. Okay.
He did it again.
Okay, I'm just gonna fix it. I'm just gonna fix it so I can put Point Crow in manually. Choose user number, chosen user.
That's pretty embarrassing.
Shut up.
Let's get ready to rumble.
So now we do Point Crow, and it crashes. We did it.
Hello, Dick.
I am learning.
Have you tried writing code that works?
Let's get ready to rumble.
I am so happy we added breathing Wait, this is blue. Why is that one blue? One of them is blue. Okay, I don't get it. Whatever, we'll figure that out. It was blue before. Why isn't it blue? Where'd the blue go? We gotta get the blue back. I don't really know CSS and shit, but let's figure it out. This is the blue. This is the blue color. So why did that stop happening? Okay. This one's not blue anymore, but that one is blue. Woo! Oh, but it's blue still. Okay, now it's blue.
This is a huge message. This is a huge message. This is a huge message.
It's also not being fit correctly now. It's supposed to be fitted into the box. That's what. God damn it! Why is everything breaking?
Huge message. Huge message.
Why isn't
huge
this
message,
working
huge
anymore?
Message, huge
What?
message. Huge.
If you call it a night, no one will blame you. We love a fresh Doug, not the rotten one that's before us right now.
Okay, all right. You don't have to.
You were setting hashtag user message box 1, but you should be setting hashtag user message 1.
Yeah, it shouldn't. Okay, you're right. So this should be user message. What? Well, the text is a lot bigger, so that's a good sign. It's just not blue anymore. Okay, so Doug is test.
Test.
Okay, and now like big message.
Message, big message, big message, big message,
And now,
big message, big message, big message, big
And then
message.
move the CSS color and font size back
yes,
to user
back.
message.
Yes, yes, that's it. This is it. This is it. So I moved it to the wrong spot because I was updating the wrong thing the whole time. And now we run this.
Rumble.
And everything works perfectly. Okay, it starts at a certain size. You can have Droful. You're up there. Congratulations. DougDoug, I'm on the left. I say a thing. Test.
Test.
Hi, this is big.
Heck yeah.
And then if it's really big, it'll resize in the box.
Hi,
Boom!
this is big. Hi, 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 this is big. Hi.
I'm actually really proud of this thing. I had a great time streaming today. This was like so fun for me. Good night, chat. Godspeed.
Will this be on YouTube?
I mean, it'll always be on the VOD channel. There's no chance this will be an edited YouTube video.